see you pulling up to meet me in your car. I know you didn't have to drive, you don't live far from me. I know you're afraid to make something. I wrote this while sitting in Terminal B. The words just flow like they were searching for me. These people unlock my heart without turning the key. My only goal is you go further than me. There ain't a better feeling I can ask for. All year I've been trying to hit fast forward while I watch my patience run. Now my favorite days have come. We waited 10 long months. Now we're finally here. This is our special place where we can be ourselves with no fear. We waited 10 long months.
Cause if I ever tried to cut a rug, by the time the night is done, you will know that I'm a strange one. I don't ever know what to do, how to find a beat, how to groove. But I dream about finding you. You make me wanna sway. And you'd say, dance with me, not a choo-choo-lay. I don't care about where or when. Pick a song that never ends. Dance with me, not a choo-choo-lay. Close your eyes, just move your body. If you only knew what it's like to feel like you have all eyes on every little move you make. You can't seem to find your way. Maybe all this time I've lied. Maybe I just never tried. Cause boy, when I'm alone with you, you make me wanna sway, wanna move. Dance with me, not on choo-choo-lay. I don't care about where or when. Pick a song that never ends. Dance with me, not on choo-choo-lay. Close your eyes, just move your body. Dance with me, not a choo-choo-lay.
Circumstances have changed, and will never be the same.
We'll be here for sunrise, then we'll fly. How much time do you reckon we have left to say the words unsaid? And how many days would you say